In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for a position as a delivery driver with Deliveroo in the UK for 2025. We'll walk you through each step, ensuring you feel confident and ready to embark on this exciting opportunity. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to visit the official Deliveroo UK rider website, which you can access at rider.deliveroo.co.uk. This site is your main portal for applications and will guide you through the essential steps to get started as a Deliveroo rider. It's important to make sure you're on the official site to ensure the security of your personal information. Once you're on the website, look for the Apply Now button and give it a click. This will take you to the application page where Deliveroo gathers initial information regarding your interest in becoming a rider. Next, you'll be prompted to choose the main reason you want to ride for Deliveroo, whether it's the flexible working hours, the opportunity to earn extra income, or simply the love for riding. Deliveroo is interested in what drives you to join their team. Be honest about your motivation, as this can sometimes shape your experience down the line. Now it's time to select your preferred work location. Deliveroo operates in various cities across the UK, so ensure you pick a city that is convenient for you and where you're planning to work. This choice will help tailor your application to the right area. After that, you'll need to fill out some personal information. Expect to provide details such as your full name, email address, and phone number. It's crucial to double check your entries here, since this information will be used for further communication regarding your application and employment. Then you'll decide on your delivery method. Options typically include car, scooter, or bicycle. Consider what's most accessible for you and what best fits the area you've chosen. For example, a bicycle may be more efficient in congested city centres, while a scooter or car could be better for suburban areas with longer distances between deliveries. Once you've made this decision, it's time to upload some necessary documents. Deliveroo will require identification, proof of your right to work in the UK, a valid driver's license if applicable, vehicle insurance for those using a car or scooter, and your bank details for payment processing. Ensure all documents are up to date and clearly legible to avoid any delays in your application process. Finally, follow the prompts as they appear. These prompts will guide you through any remaining steps or confirmations needed. Keep an eye on your email for any communication from Deliveroo regarding next steps or additional information that may be required. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to becoming a delivery driver with Deliveroo in the UK. Stay organised, be prompt with your documentation, and soon you'll be making deliveries and enjoying the flexibility of this role. Thanks for tuning in, and best of luck with your application.